Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
I died every day. This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hello, founder. Good morning. Hoping that when you watch this video of mine and as well to my other CCs and bros, you're in the best condition. I would like to say thank you so much for your kindness in welcoming me to the EDSG group. When the first time I hear your voice, I know that you're a serious person, you're a strict person, but you're a good person, and I believe that. Anyway, I wish you good health, happiness, peace of mind, and more years to celebrate. Even though I didn't know you well, founder, I feel that you're such a good person, and thank you for that. So, enjoy your birthday, founder. God bless you always. Thank you.
Hello, founder. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day full of happiness. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, founder. Today is your special day. Hope the Almighty Father will grant what your heart desires. Thank you for giving us motivation, for giving us inspiration and reaching our goal. Once again, happy birthday. May the Supreme Being will bless you in all your endeavors. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, founder. Kapingab. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wishing a day filled with love, laughter, and happiness. And good health always. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless. Take care.
Lady Boss Gab, Kaping Gabi, founder. Happy birthday. Ka-birthday mo yung ate ko tsaka yung bunso kong anak. Stay beautiful and stay healthy. Yun ang wish ko sa'yo. Salamat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Sa'yo ang pagkain, sa'yo ang inumin. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y malasing mo kami. Happy, happy, happy birthday sa aming founder na apakaganda, apakabait at apaka-understanding sa lahat. More birthdays to come and still pretty. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord na maraming birthday at palakas na pangangatawan sa pang-araw-araw. At lagi mong tatandaan, dito lang ako, diyan ka lang. Mr. Cap, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your moment. And God bless you always. Mwah.
Happy birthday! And we have many more birthdays to come. Enjoy and stay forever loved with Aqua. And I would like to thank you for accepting me as part of your member of your PDS group. Happy birthday.
Hi founder, happy birthday founder. Wishing you another wonderful years of happiness and joy. Happy birthday founder. God bless you always. Enjoy.
Hi Cap Gabs, happy birthday! Wishing you all the best in life and thank you for being part of your farm. Thank you.
Hey, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabby. You are a pure soul, incredibly good, kind-hearted, sweet, caring, graceful, and there's so many things to say about you. Your intelligence and warmth make a difference in the lives of everyone around you. So may your journey be filled with a lot of love and happiness and endless moments to smile about. So my dear friend, keep glowing like always and keep inspiring us. Love you. Once again, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Keep shining, my friend. God bless you.
Happy birthday kay Cap Gabi. Hello Cap Gabi, thank you pala sa lahat. Pinasama niya ako sa PAM and group. So maraming salamat talaga sa iyo. Happy birthday once again kay Cap Gabi. Ito lang ang mabibigay ko sa iyo, Cap Gabi. Happy birthday. Sana lahat ng wish mo ay matupad mo, sa lahat ng kung may mga pagsubok, lahat yan ay masusolusyonan mo. Ito po aking masasabi ay yung romantiko. Ayan. Ako po ay isang romantic naman, di ba? Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday, Cap Gabi. Salamat po sa iyo lahat. Ikaw talagang the best nakilala ko na you are so special. Pinakamabait sa lahat. Thank you.
Isang pagbati para sa aming founder. Happy birthday sa iyo, Founder Gabi. At naway magkaroon ka pa ng mas maraming kaarawan na darating. Ako ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa iyo sa kabutihan at kaalagaan ng isang grupo na kung wala ka, wala din kami. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan.
Happy birthday, Confid! More birthdays come. Ingatan mo palagi ang sarili mo. And love you. Love you always.
Happy birthday, Founder! Congratulations! Dahil birthday mo, sana makontinue mo yung pagtulong sa PDSG. Sobra kang mabait. I know you're very strict, but everybody learn from your attitude. And I really appreciate that. And most of all, I'm very thankful being a part of the PDSG. And I didn't feel anything from other friends that I've been through, but I feel the love from PDSG. And I love you. Happy birthday, so hope you have more birthdays to come and more candles to blow and more cakes to cut. Happy birthday, and I love you so much. From the bottom of my heart, I love you. And happy birthday.
Hello, my sister Catherine Gab, the founder of PDSG. Happy birthday, sister ko. Ito lang masasabi ko. Thank you so much. Naging isa ako sa member mo. And then, kahit bago pa lang ako rito, kumbaga, napakaganda ng layunin mo dito sa grupo. And, sana, lumago ang grupo. And, magtagal at lalong dumami ang member. Sis. And sana, wish ko lang sa'yo na bigyan ka ng kalakasan, pangatawan, more wealth and power. Ika nga sisikoy. Para mahaba pa ang pagkasamahan natin dito sa Starlight. Basta yun lang sabi ko, enjoy life. Diba? Kasi maiksi ang buhay. Ganun yun. Pag may mga problema dumarating, kumbaga, dead man na lang. Di ba ganun lang siguro? Total, nasusolusyonan naman lahat ng dumarating na problema. Huwag mo na lang masyadong, kumbaga, dibdibin. Basta, ang masasabi ko lang, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mami Gab! Enjoy your day. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. And I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Basta yun. I love you. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you.
Hello, Captain Gabby. Happy birthday. This is Belle from Morning Family SOS Group and a new member of PDSG. Thank you for sharing your wisdom and passion with us every day. Have a birthday as bright and beautiful as your legacy. Cheers to another year. Happy birthday. Thank you for accepting me to the group. Happy birthday again.
Hello po. And happy birthday po to our founder of the PDSG, Captain Gabby. At sana po ibigyan po kayo ng ating may kapal ng isang malaking blessings ng kalusugan, pinansyal at spiritual. At sana po huwag po kayo magsasawa sa amin na maggabay sa ating samahan sa grupo ng PDSG. At ako po nagpapasalamat at ako yung nakapabilang sa isang grupo na kagaya nito. At ako po muli, in behalf of my family, Captain Finsby, Concourse of Love Family, ay maraming salamat. Happy birthday and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Hello, Lasa. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Mag-iingat ka palagi at alagaan mo sarili mo. Iwas sa sakit You know naman. Hope to see you soon sa pag-uwi ko. Happy birthday. Just enjoy. Less stress, chill lang muna ikaw. Thankful ako kasi nakilala kita. Although, hindi tayo laging nagme-message sa isa't isa. Still, I will treasure the friendship na meron tayo. God bless you, las ako magsukol for being my ate sa SM. God bless you always. See you soon. Miss you, love lots. Happy birthday.
Hello, founder! Ang maganda naming founder at mabait. Ang nag-iisa naming founder, Gabi, ng PDSG. Nagbe-birthday siya ngayon. Babatiin namin ng happy birthday. I love you. Lagi lang namin hangad na yung health mo okay. And then huwag kang malungkot, huwag kang stress na nakakasira ng kagandahan mo. Sige ka. Stay strong ako and then happy. Lalo na ngayong araw na to. Magpakasaya ka. Mabuhay ka pa hanggat sa gusto mo. And then, don't forget thank God always, and also always praying for Him. Huwag kang mag-alala, nandito lang yung PDSG para sa iyo. Kahit ako na hindi masyadong active, pero nandyan lang ako. Kahit nakakoble, diba? Pasulpot-sulpot lang. Kasi super busy din ako. Alam mo na, kailangan magsikap. So, ayan, kung may time naman, nag-a-attend naman ako. Basta happy lang po. Huwag kang mag-alala sa mga member mo. Get mo naman yung mga nagbibigay ng sa'yo dyan, yung stress. Basta happy ka lang. Huwag mo nang kalimutan na yung sarili niyo po. Lagi niyong alagaan. We love you. Basta magpakasaya ka sa araw na to. Bigay mo yung araw mo to. So, kailangan ikaw ang hari ng araw na to kasi birthday mo, diba? So, yun. Huwag mong kalimutan na nandito lang yung mga anak-anakan mo dito sa PDSG. Naman. And then, yun. Stay strong and happy. Bawal na stress. Ingat. And then, God bless you always. I love you po.
Happy birthday, Captain Gabi ng PDSG. Happy birthday, Captain. Happy birthday, Founder. Happy birthday, Captain Gabi ng PDSG. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I just want to wish a happy birthday to Captain Gab. I wish you all the best. Stay humble and may you have many more birthdays to come. God bless you.
Happy birthday PDSG Captain Gabi. All I wish is your good health always, which is the foundation of life and existence in this world. You are a symbol of a strong person, full of strength, courage, and wisdom. I wish you all the good luck in this world full of circumstances. Once again, happy birthday and more years of birthday celebrations to come. God bless you and more good blessings. Mabuhay! Happy birthday to you. pagpalain ka ng ating Panginoon.
Happy birthday, Kap Gabi! I wish you more birthdays and blessings of happiness and good health always in your life. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po sa butigi naming founder, Captain Gab. This is it. Pangalawang best ko na po kayong mababate. Ang wish ko lang po is good health. That's the very, very important. Stay happy, as beautiful as ever. And take care and God bless po. Saranghe! Happy birthday po ulit!
Buds, I just woke up. Happy birthday. Thank you for the friendship that we have. On our first encounter, as I remember, I was learning jazz then. And when I was singing in a certain PR, you dropped by and filled the chat box with comments. Then eventually invited me over to your own PR, and we became friends. It is different, it is unique and full of joy. We almost talk about anything and everything under the sun, both intellectual and simple, funny and serious, emotional and stern. Yet in all we complemented each other. Thus, therefore, hence, deep in my heart, you are dear to me, and my prayers are that God would grant you healing, wellness, security, and joy, and long life. Happy birthday. I'm just here, around, and see you again. You are dear to me. I love you.
Hello, this is John B of the Dude family. I'm wishing our founder and Captain Gabi a very, very happy birthday. Maligayang kaarawan, naway mapuno ng saya, kalusugan at pagpapala ang iyong special na araw. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting tao at inspirasyon sa iba. Hiling ko na matupad ang lahat ng iyong mga pangarap at patuloy kang pagpalain sa bawat hakbang ng iyong buhay. Enjoy your day and may more birthdays to come. John Dorper again, thank you.
Hi Cap Gab, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw ng birthday mo. Sana you always have a good health and God bless you always. Kakantahan na lang kita para kasi wala mo na ibang masabi sa'yo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you.
So yun, happy birthday po, Captain Gab. Pasensya na medyo pasaway po ako balagi pag nag-aaway kami ni Miss Gala. Thankful ako kasi nandyan ka palagi para gabayan kami dalawa. So yun, stay healthy po and enjoy your birthday po. Maraming salamat po.
Happy birthday, Founder Cap Gabi. Wish you good health and good wisdom as always, and of course happiness. Thank you for the friendship. Love.
Hello, Captain Gabi. Happy birthday. I wish you good health always. More birthdays to come in your life. God bless you and your family. Be safe and be happy always. We love you.
Hello, it's a birth month. My
warmest birthday wishes to our dear founder, Captain Gabby. May your day be filled with joy and your year with prosperity. Thank you for the inspiration and for leading us, all the PDSG members, to a greater heights. May God continue to bless you with good health, love, and happiness. And we are truly grateful.
Ay Captain, nais ko po kayong batiin sa inyong kaarawan. Sana po ang wish ko, sana maging healthy kayo lagi, laging malusog, at mag-ingat po kayo lagi. Sana marami pa pong birthday kayong darating at marami po kayong matulungan sa ating grupo. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi baby, happy birthday to you. I'm so grateful to be part of this PDSG because of you. Even though I'm new, but you made me feel like I belong here for so long. Thank you baby for your kindness, not just for me, but for all of us. And may the Lord continue to bless you with good health, strength, happiness, and to guide you in everything you do. And we are just here to support you, and we love you. And once again, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Just to let you know that I'm so lucky to have a wonderful person like you in my life. Some friends come into your life for a season. I'm grateful. You're the forever kind. So glad to know you're my buddy love. Cheers to another year of adventure, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Again, happiest birthday and enjoy your special day. Love you, my one and only buddy love.
Happiest birthday to one of nicest person. I wish you a long and healthy life. Always pray for best for you have ever met. Feel so lucky to have you as my best friend in Star Maker. I hope your birthday is as special as you are. May all of your dreams come true. Birthday come around every year, but friends like you only come once in a lifetime. You understand me like nobody else. I'm so glad you come into my life. Thanks for everything about you, especially how caring and inspiring you are. I'm so blessed to have you in my life. You accepting me at my worst and bossing me up at my best. I can always count on you to be there when I need you. I want to say thank you for everything, for putting me up with my constant mood swings. You have molded me into a better person. I trust in you with my life. Happy birthday, my founder, Cap Gabby. God bless. Thank you, Sian. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Founder Gab. Sana'y dumating pa ang maraming kaarawan sa iyong buhay. Kasama ng iyong mga minamahal sa buhay, lalong higit yung iyong the one and only. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Dalangin ko'y maganda lagi ang iyong kalusugan. Happy birthday, Founder Gab. Sana'y masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan. Sana'y marami pang kaarawan na magdaan.
Hello po, happy birthday po kay Cap Gabby. Wish ko lang may God doubled everything you have. And don't stress too much sa mga issue po. PDSG, sa mga naiinggit, don't stress too much kasi I know, hindi po maganda sa kalusugan nyo yun. Stay simple. Stay pretty. ay paganda po. Yun po. Maraming salamat po and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Captain Gabby! Your life is a gift from God. And I know I'm truly grateful to have a friend like you for all the blessings you bring to this world. Thank you for guiding us, helping us in so many ways. You mean so much to us, especially to us. Alam mo na yun, kami yung kasama mo sa mga happy moments natin, kahit minsan-minsan. Enjoy life, and I hope you have more birthdays to come. I love you!
Happy birthday, Founder Gabby. Wishing you a day filled with joy, laughter, and beautiful music. Thank you for inspiring so many of us in PDSG with your talent, leadership, and passions for singing. Your voice and presence truly make a difference in the community. May this year bring you even more success, happiness, and unforgettable moments. Keep shining and sharing your gift with the world. We're all cheering for you. Enjoy your special day, my dear Founder Gabby Lobregat. And God bless you. Love, love. Your eyes I love to see, your hands I love to touch, your lips I love to kiss. I love you more so very much. Tomorrow starts a new year and memories couldn't wait. I want to say I love you, update happy birthday. Happy birthday, my Founder, and many, many more. Another year has passed, I love you even more. Your eyes I love to see, your hands I love to touch, your lips I love to kiss. I love you all so very much. Tomorrow start the new year and memories couldn't wait. I want to say I love you on your happy birthday. Happy birthday, Captain. God bless you.
My love, Gabriel. Pinili ko tong background na to kasi paborito mo to eh. At tuwing kinakanta mo to, ini-imagine ko yung parang magkasama tayo, magsa-celebrate ng birthday mo. Wala na ako ibang hihiling sa Diyos. Hiniling ko na yun. Ulit-ulit sa Kanya. At alam na alam niya yun. At alam na alam mo yun kung ano yun. Nandito lang ako sa'yo. no matter what. Mahal na mahal kita, alam mo yun. Yan lang. Happy birthday. I love you.